Hey everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Patreon. If you want to get started with Patreon and create a new account but don't know how, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that you download the Patreon mobile application on your mobile device by visiting your App Store or your Play Store. Once you download this application, tap the open button to open the app for the first time on your device. Now you'll end up in the login or sign up page. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to get started with a new one, you'll need to enter an email in the text box. Or you can also continue logging in with your existing Google account, Apple ID, or with your Facebook account. In order to do that, go ahead and select any one option from the bottom and follow through the on-screen prompts to register with one of these social accounts. If you want to sign up using your email, go ahead and type in your email address in the first text box. Make sure to type in a valid email address since you'll need to verify it on the next process. Once you are done typing in the email, tap Continue, and then on the next page, type in your full name. After you are done, tap on Continue. Now, allow Patreon to send you alerts or notifications by tapping on Allow button, but if you don't want to enable notifications yet, tap on Don't Allow. Now, once you're inside the main home page, you'll be able to see this interface. Now, if you want to complete your profile, go to the top right-hand corner and tap on the three dots right next to your name at the top right. Click on Edit Profile and go ahead and add in your bio into the bio text box. You can also upload a profile picture for yourself inside this page and save your changes. Once your profile is set up, you can now start exploring Patreon. If you are a creator, you can start off by creating pages and start adding tiers and rewards for your patrons. If you are a patron, you can browse creators, choose who you want to support, and make pledges. So that is how you can easily sign up for Patreon within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.